রাজনীতির সঙ্গে সব সম্পর্ক শেষ, এখন শুধু হামরো সিকিম।
My association is politics based with my own party, Hamro Sikkim in Sikkim. So we are still active there. So yeah, but in Bengal, no, because I've left Bengal politics, gone back to Sikkim. So and just watching what's going to happen in Bengal.
এখন কিভাবে জড়িয়ে তিনি? নিজের ক্লাব ইউনাইটেড সিকিম ছাড়াও তৈরি করেছেন ভাইচুং ভুটিয়া ফুটবল স্কুল। দেশের বিভিন্ন প্রান্তে তৈরি হওয়া সেই স্কুল থেকে ইতিমধ্যেই খুদে ফুটবলাররা জাতীয় অনূর্ধ্ব দলে সুযোগ পাচ্ছে।
How you are associated with football in any way in developmental part?
Big way, because today Baichung Bhutia Football School is it's the biggest grassroots football program in India. We've got more than 4,000 plus kids training every day, more than 100 centers across India. So, and we've already got 6 players from BBFS. BBFS sponsored scholarship boys gone on to play for India in different age group, and almost 10 to 20 boys are currently playing, graduates playing in ISL and I leagues in different parts of the country.
35 জন ফুটবলারের মধ্যে আই লিগ থেকে একজনও ডাক পাননি। ভাইচুংয়ের কাছে অত্যন্ত দুর্ভাগ্যজনক।
You must have heard about the recent incident in Indian football where 35 probables have been called up by the national coach for the Oman friendly. But none of the 35 players have been called from the I-League, ongoing I-League. So each and everybody has been called from ISL. So don't you feel it's a little bit of frustrating not calling one from I-League?
No, I think it's up to the management, coaching staff to decide, and it's, you know, if he likes from ISL, if he likes from I-League, or even if he likes players from second division, it's entirely up to the coaching staff to decide. So I think it'll be very unfair to say that we did not select. Obviously, I would want him to select from all including Santosh Trophy as well, if there are potential players who can reach. But every coach, every team, every coaching management team has got their own style, own like of players, and you should allow that to happen. Yes, it's sad that it's not happened from I-League. I hope I-League players will get even more motivated rather than disheartened, and show them that we are good enough and you can select in future.
জাতীয় ফুটবল দল সম্প্রতি ভালো খেলছে, উঠে এসেছে একাধিক প্রতিভাবান ফুটবলার, কিন্তু সিনিয়র পর্যায়ে তারা কোথায়? হতাশ ভারতের প্রাক্তন অধিনায়ক।
You were the technical committee chairman of the All India Football Federation. During that phase, do you feel it was possible for not only you, for anybody to work with free hand in terms of development for Indian football?
I think I did work in free hand, and I was given a free hand, which yes, there would be a lot of times slight pressure, but as a technical committee chairman, you should be strong enough to make your ideas and whatever you've given the authority to implement those. And in fact, when I was technical committee chairman, when I was appointed, we were ranked 165. By the time I left in 3 to 4 years, we came to top 100 ranking.
খেলতে গিয়ে 11 দলের মধ্যে লিগ টেবিলে 9 নম্বরে শেষ করল ইস্টবেঙ্গল। ব্যাখ্যা ভাইচুংয়ের।
One thing related to this question, in recent times we have seen in the junior level, precisely under 16 Asian, under 19 Asian level, India has produced some spectacular performance. I mean, drawing with Iran, beating Qatar like that. Regarding the team selection in the senior level, don't you feel that the outlet for the junior promising players to the senior level, there is some kind of gap?
No, I think it's very unfortunate that we are doing well under 14, 15, but not really doing when they grow up as a young adult after 18 years. They have not been able to perform that way. It's very unfortunate. More sad is to see Indian Arrows struggling in I-League. They're supposed to be our future players, future talent. And right now I think they're just having difficult winning matches as well, which is not good sign for Indian football.
আইকনের এখন আগামী দিনের লক্ষ্য নিজের তৈরি করা ক্লাবকে আইএসএল এ খেলানো। সেই কাজেই এখন মগ্ন তিনি। ক্যামেরায় শঙ্কর প্রসাদের সঙ্গে সুদীপ পাকরাশির রিপোর্ট, স্কয়ার সার্কেল নিউজ।